Guess what?
What?
Today is Friday, you know, and today DJ Island Girl they on live stream. I go connect to him and see if I go get him.
This little girl.
DJ Island Girl in the building.
You whip up my ass.
Shape it like. People know say when I watch, people know say I enjoy. You know what I mean? Me soon we see the car. You know what I mean? Car is so far away. Yeah, man. Hey, DJ Island in the building. And you got one time and one thing go. Hey, Carly, if you love the vibe. Carly, if you love the vibe. Hey, Carly, if you love the flow. If you love the flow, Mama say, hey. Carly. Mine's got a Carly. See that? Yeah.
Hey! Hi DJ Island Grill. Talk for me like that. Hey! Oh my God! I'm one of your biggest fans.
Wait, you love the vibe. Oh, you man. Give that to Mama for always checking. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Oh my God! I'm 18.
18 where?
So the idea. You didn't Jada. Alright, pick up a set Jada. Time to check you. You love the vibe. And I need to dance, guys. When I call you, you know I'm gonna. Let me know something nice. You know, so yeah, I appreciate the love. I appreciate love. And I mean, yeah, you can sell it. Yeah.
I love you. I wish to take a picture of you. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh my God.
Yeah, man. You mean, man, thanks for calling. Hopefully one day you can see me up close. Yeah, what you mean? We'll have a fun time now.
Okay, later.
Amanya, look.
But I'm gonna tell you, when it's nice, I'm just for the vibe. I'm just, you know what I mean? Appreciate life. Yeah, appreciate love. But I have to check out right now. I'm gonna let's see what I'm Friday night. You know what I mean? Mask everybody, check it. You know what I mean? Comment if you need. There you go. You still can watch the live. I'm thinking like I said, go live. So it's a DJ I do all the time. So until next time then. See? That's why I see. Don't go no. Yeah. I ain't going to that ball. You know what I mean? So I'm more fire with that. Yeah, man, so let's check out the little thing. Bless up, little, see that?
This is a USB cable now. Move, man, lift up.
Now we're really rough. Sometimes let's yeah.
Girl, you know see the man have talent. He can DJ, he can sing, he can do everything. You know see the man sexy too, girl.
What you know about sexy? How you know when people sexy?
Not because I'm young, I watch YouTube, Netflix, I see people in our real life, and you don't feel like me see you come over with your broke boyfriend thing.
Oh, so you watch me?
It's not about watch you.
Listen, you're underage. You're not supposed to talk about no man. You're talk about your book. No about man.
Listen to me. I'm in love with that DJ.
What you know about love?
I wish I could have meet him one day. I wish I could have take some picture with him, hug him, smelling cologne. And the man get that chops too.
You hear yourself?
So you never yet in love with some artist or some DJ?
Yeah, I'm in love with artists, but not as how you behave.
I don't behave no way. I just love the man. I just in love with the man, and nobody will tell big sister that. I don't know, but I'm so in love with this man.
Right now, if big sister come in and hear what you say. Shut up.
How me you not talk about DJ Island Girl about?
No, this is one but she in love.
In love with who?
What name? I not even remember her name.
And with what? Where? And when? And what you talk about? Hello? I notice say you go on like you big enough from the other day, you know. Go on like, when I talk to you, put on your phone, don't do that. I'm bigger than you, I'm your biggest sister. The one you need to listen to me right now. You see DJ Island Grill? None out of the two of you can't know him, will never know him, and now go see him. What you not talk about? I'm here for your mouth, PP, cluck in here to you know, like a duck in and they come go on like a she alone attack, you know, at the two of you.
No big sister she in here attack.
At the two of you me they talk about. Not only she alone, the two of you and you are going to shut up now like I say, Ray. You need to open up your mouth and speak. One-on-one with DJ Island Grill. Talk to me now. Talk to me. Let me put on your phone. Talk to me because DJ Island Grill is somebody with me know a long time. It's my long time worker man. Even though me and him not there no more. Uno two young female and you know like girl like uno. Uno have a heart. Mother road. What me say? Uno have a heart. Well hot. Uno can't so young. I want to think same be. He not like little pitney. I want to remember uno age. And a matter of fact, a school uno figure. Uno make them big man they get themselves in a problem, you know. Uno a little pitney, uno love big man too much. No wonder why when no parents go no money figure school, uno act like uno and make taxi driver. They go no free drive figure buy burger go no and KFC. No, but with DJ Island Grill. No bother with him because it's
no. See you make me get in a trouble, seeing you.
Get in a trouble?
What me do?
Get in a trouble?
Me just like the
man. You can't get in a no trouble because you don't want to know.
You there say yap.
If you no put yourself in a trouble and uno and him are going in a no trouble or no police is going to be me.
So big sister, what if me be the lucky one to meet him?
Meet him? Okay, me understand. Why you want to meet him?
Because I'm a favorite DJ.
Your favorite DJ?
I'm a big fan.
He's a big fan. I'm mostly fan when they blow the breeze out of but not my ex-man. Would I be your fan? Because a problem would I did so I not tell no lie. I wanna go fall in love. I wanna be a fan for somebody else. Not DJ Island Grill. May I ask you one question now, no need to talk to me because you know me alone turn up so they talk like I say, you don't have no headpiece. But when you know alone the DNA, you can chat about people, man. I learn my ex-man. Me don't care. You don't talk about him like that, it hurt me.
Oh, if it hurt you?
It hurt me because me like him same way. I mean, I know if me can get him back down in line one day.
The man famous, he's a celebrity, so everybody got a crush.
It won't not talk to me one time, me can't hear. You not deaf me.
When we and sister are supposed to sit on yourself.
Pet, you shut up for your mouth over there, so. Irks. Hold your space, man. Hold your space. And what you tell me, say, the two want the same man?
Me never said that.
So, why no problem? Why not call up his name so much? Because he's famous, so what? He's famous, but that no mean say he's famous to come there with unos.
Me never said they with it.
So what? No, but the oh you are
a fan.
No, but the way you're fan. You're fan. The fan where you work there or AC. No bother with the board, I'm a fan. I'm a fan for who? For what? And why? Girl, anytime when you call DJ Island Grill name, you make me head hurt me right now. Me need a Advil. Don't do it.
There with him?
We did there.
Yeah, we did. That I did.
Oh, hello. When man good. If me want him back, me can't get him back. But sit down. Come here, no size neither. Where you come question?
Sit down.
Where you come question me about? You look like a turn up because you rank with me. You feel bigger than your age now, not true? When you have to say Miss Jada, come and notice you, you know?
Not because I'm 40, me look 40, me look bigger than my age.
Oh. So, okay. Let me wheel and come down again a little bit. Because you look like me too tall. Oi! 14-year-old, you is 14, you is not 20. You're not in your 20, you're still in your teen. Just got high school and you want bigger man than you. What is wrong with you? You're a little child. You're not ready for man yet. You're not ready for the video light yet. Okay, so I see you then call up the other entertainer, them name, and make them go to jail. You want to send my ex-man to prison? Don't do it. Because I'll let me a sister girl. You love what I do to you. And make me, you know, I can't go about my business because I told me turn out this and here on chat, you know. Let me tell you something, man. You see, anytime we hold on conversation, X out DJ Island Grill out of it. How you just do? Jeremy? So you give me monkey face now. Because me your size. Eh? Me your size now. Anyway. No one knows.
I'm saying no, can you back to them?
Back to.
So, oi, pet, me know what you say now. How you want to do? What you want to do your sister? What is your problem?
Then look how she look for me.
So you look like I say you want to war him now for the man. I want to say I'm not looking at the looking
But
at
he
the
have his boyfriend. When had a carrying. Pet.
Pet. You don't remember your age, how much?
You're a big old man.
When? Oi, come here. Come here. Come here. You take it for joke. Come here. Come here. Me your bigger sister. Me responsible for you. No, come here. You're too out order. Come here. Come up here, son, and look down upon your clothes and me buy that. You're out order. Come here. Come here, man. Amanas, you love laugh. Stand up here, so. Girl, what you talk about? You're a big woman. Oi, you're a big woman when you're underneath your own roof. When mama gone a foreign from when? I know she not come back, she not remember about you. Girl, you think
That's not right for you pull me like that. So when my head lick on the tire.
If you lick up, make you have sense, cause why you deal with a smaller sister like that? Why? What you want to do? No, grieve. What you want to fight me? If I lick your head in the wall, you gain sense. You hear, cog?
Just see you.
Oi, mister, what you want to fight her? You look like you don't see me, so you don't respect. Oi, you don't respect.
Because I'm a bigger one, but you attack me for she. You don't see when she wrong, but that's when me wrong. You know what? You see, before me create rating and this, me I come out of here, so yeah.
If you think you're bad, put back your ass right there, so. Go, you want me pull it for you? Go through the door. See that, go through it.
Fight.
Take away yourself, for where you go?
Beat him up, Gabana. Beat him up, Gabana. Cause when the other day you beat me up.
Shut up. Shut up your mouth.
I don't give me no offer eat 20 in the day and beat me up.
Me? That's one thing me not do. I starve you, even though you deserve it. That's one thing me not do.
Oi.
Beat him up, Gabana. Beat him up.
Shut up your mouth. Jada, hold on the 1 minute. Pet. Turn around. Looking at me two eye them. Even though. Oi. No matter wind up in front of me. No do it. Me and you no size. You see a smaller. Sit down. You see a smaller sister? Me need you to take care of her when me not there. Come out of my face. Stand up right so you can wheel run. You stand up right so. I want you. You're bigger than she, but you're not bigger than me.
And take off one.
And that me I go do next time. You have the last chance with your phone.
Come can't sleep at night time. At night time in there pan call.
You love chat.
And that's it. Oi. Mind what you do, you know. What you do? What you do? Eh?
Father God, you see this?
Hello, what are you doing? At this shut up, man. You have to shut up. What the hell wrong with you? Me no size, you know. Me and you no size.
Yeah, that's why you must behave like a size. Become you ain't no size. You must stop attack me over she.
Oi.
When she rang, if you tell her, say she rang.
Oi. You see that face here? We ring her. And that me I tell you. And me run things in this place here. Under this roof where there. And me and parents, don't me go get me slap me in my mouth, you know. What is wrong with you?
No, you feel like okay. You're big, me afraid of you, miss. I'm not afraid of you, you know. Me not afraid of you. So all your husband and buff, you cannot blow me down because I am not afraid of you.
Shut.
Fight! Beat him up, Gabana. Beat him up. Beat him up, Gabana.
Come on. Get up and come out. Get up. Get up. Turn up on your foot. What wrong with you? You feel say you're nobody in a soul size. Eh? What you feel like?
Don't rat. You know what?
Tell you, man. What make you move so you have worm? Eh? You have worm? You have to go get some sauce at least.
Like you see what I
like
do tonight.
Just put me on your ground and lick me.
You know that. Beat me. Defend me, mister.
I know, say because you're my big sister.
Take your hand out of my face, you damn out of that. A matter of fact, go back over there up on the bed. Go
through. No, I'm not go over there, do I?
Go back.
Fight!
Go back over there. Where you like? Go back.
Beat him up, Gabana. Beat him up.
I too me sorry for you. You know what? I just can't go about my business. What one? You look like you have worm too. You pick up my phone. And that. Beat her up again when me not there. And so me do it when me come about your one man. And you know they chat to man on phone and night time make my sister can't sleep. Watch me and you. Out hard and over. Who you? Soon look off the light on the backside.
You see all you? I see. Can you make sure I want to bet if you complain for me, you see me.
girl.
I bet you. You want to complain for me? You want to complain for me? Alright, go on. See do it. Go on. Go on, go complain. See do it. Go find her now. Shut up.
Straight for you now, straight for Gabon.
I think you make it anger me, so she never used to anger me so. And because of you, you deserve it.
Hello, DJ Island Grill. Wagwan. I want my number now in your phone again. I know say no device, but how comes my number now in your phone? I don't understand. Anyway, cut long story short. You know say I pass and hear some people about them are your fans. Yes, they say them are your fans, big fans of you. But me don't, you know say, I don't like how some of them attack. Because them attack like I look they want to look you. Me know say me did there, you know. You don't have to tell me, me know. Now tell me say about me did there. Yeah. Me know say me never have nothing. The problem is because me did too jealous and every minute you fly out and gone and you're too busy for me. So me, I was thinking that you did not have any time for me. But me did wrong. I just feel say you did have a woman with me and them something there. Because when you're not so famous, you know say, whole heap of girl go run you down and them sitting there. So you have your money. And you always dress nice, smell good and look good. No, sir. I couldn't bother to see no woman with you. That's why I did kind of cool out still. I know you not have to tell me. I know. I know say you love me still and anything I want you will give me, but I kind of sorry and miss you still, you know. I remember the nice time them where we used to have and places where we used to go and something and all kind of things they used to buy for me. But it happy when me did there, you know, God no. I just told me they too jealous. I couldn't take him and not tell him lie, but they love you too much. Yeah. Yeah, man. I something I did want to sort out. So I call you to get one money from you. I know already say you go say no. One thing with you. One thing with you, you're a good man. And you never make me short or nothing. All when me know that you ever and you still give me anything when I want. God know any woman will get you, them are gonna love you. And I hope they take care of you because I bust up your lid for you when me know there. That me I make you know here. Yeah, me go always stay so cause good man will take care of woman the right way. We have to defend them. Straight. And you're famous already. What? Out on the road me I go. Yeah, I want the money. I don't have to tell you how much because you always give me the right amount of money when I want to start out and I still have some left. So just when you're ready, you just start out it. Because I want it for you. Something important me I start out. Yeah. Alright then. Little more. Yeah, later. I'm not joking. Of course, me still look good. Don't do it. You know, I'm a hot girl for a long time. Alright, later. Bless up yourself. Look, come on. Yes.
DJ Island Grill.
Oh, why you this so long? Oh, you tell me so you soon come here there around the corner. Do you know some day I wait for the money all long, man, and I need to go deal with something like that. Now what? So, oh, you see there around the corner and me and look at me can't see you. What you? And you know me need the money to go deal with my business in night town. Sure.
Even Miss Diamond.
Hi.
Where's Munchie?
You know some things so she going with you?
With me?
Yes.
No. Me come check her because we have some assignment to finish up.
But she said she come look for you. I don't know where she there.
Me not see her from morning.
Oh, that little girl could have gone do, man. Oh, she damn out of that, so. But I don't understand the little girl, the Munchina. But hold on, so DJ Island girl come there.
I'm going. I'm sorry if it's so late, man. Lord Jesus, I just can't bother if you make it sound like something. You're unreliable like that. How much you say you want again?
You see how long you make me wait?
Come on, man. Talk to him, man. How much you say you want again?
I tell you, see 5,000 made one.
5. Alright, you want me to give you 1,000 now? And come check back for 4. Because I'm going to start out one lead along the road. You don't go already. 1, 2, 3. Let me get 2,000 now. See? Welcome to my yard. You good?
Which lady down the road you go start out? Me not understand.
My cousin.
Cousin, which cousin? Oh, me never know about that, the cousin.
Mama, how far me I come from, you know? Enough thing to deal with. You know you go already. Car park.
That don't enough to do me want to do. And you nobody tell me about that, the cousin. Me not understand you.
That I think we can understand. How is it that me I give what you say you forget, but me just say, boy, just give me a little time to give later on that day. Because I don't want to go.
Because you want to give your cousin some money and me need the money to do what me want to do.
You don't worry about that, man. And yo, look on him, if I something buy. Must supply.
No, I hear nothing, man, and no cousin you go give no money.
Right,
this time a woman you have down the road and I short my money to go give to your woman.
Hold the money. Let's take the money. You take the money, you take the money. Talk to me, man.
Me want more money to do what me want to do because that don't enough.
You know, see,
I know say you have no cousin down the road and woman you have down there and short my money.
Me I give money in the US. You know how much people right now that want this opportunity? Just cool them, man, all the money, man. I'm go buy back the can you get the plyboard them? But at the end of the day, the man deliver the stuff them but the truck not reach it. What the money now?
I bet you say no cousin you go give no money. I bet you say me go find out, you know. Me go and get to you better my head. You think so me go just take this sit down and take this stuff?
Later we talk.
Me soon find out how I go and you must think so me an idiot.
What you really look for? You look for somebody for use or somebody for help you. I'm going to tell you something now. You see, me give you planting and banana for them so you can't hungry. Eh? Because that was the arrangement. I can take care of you. So I can't make it sound like you're ungrateful. I don't love how you feel and everything and you're just cool.
Oh, man. So you're one of them man that will love the woman things and take it tell them?
No, I'm not take it tell you.
You're one of them sissy man that will love the woman things and throw in their face. So I throw in my face to you buy this and that for me?
No, I'm just saying.
That you do?
No, I'm just... Look, everything is real in front of you. It's not a fantasy.
You don't have to tell me that.
Yeah, but...
When you say you do it, you don't have to throw in my face. Why you throw in my face?
But how you can create the scene like
but you hurt my feelings. How you don't feel for me tell you something I have a next man and you know me number one? Eh? Use your feelings and judge mine. Or you expect me to feel? Eh?
But you are
so what? I water run through me and blood run through you? You feel like me not have no feelings, my youth? I don't understand you because you never did tell me nothing like that. You tell me say me your number one, so oh no you tell me say there is somebody else. I don't understand you.
At the time, you know what I mean, we not go through one like a flow, but we will have somebody before. Just me have to be really honest.
Oh, so you just tell me lies to get in?
No, I don't lie. I don't matter lie, but I never really cement certain things. But yes, you don't want to move from my place. You say you sell me, you want me to build you one place. So you see where the confusion come in. You can't kill me and blame me for certain things. Mama, see the money here. Try wrong money me like give to me. See your money over here, sir. Mama, see the money here. See the money here. Hold your money. Okay. See the money here.
I just because I want to finish up the house, you know, because I don't understand this, you know, because all pan a Sunday I tell me say I have different woman. And you never did tell me that before. You never did tell me that before. I don't know where you are going with.
Diamond.
I don't know where you are going. What, since you got foreign and get different woman or what? We don't understand you.
Diamond,
what that's supposed to mean?
Diamond,
what that's supposed to mean?
Diamond, call me later. As I said before, I'm going to get the rest of the money. 5,000 you say want, call me later. Because that's just one money pull up. Just cool the man. Call me later, I'm going to start to you. Alright?
You're tripping now?
What do you mean a trip?
You're a trip, because I know so you don't have no cousins what you said, but I'm going to find out. Remember say people them in that district you chat, you know. No secret can't hide, you know. So I'm going to find out what.
How much you hear about me? You don't hear nothing about me like that. You can't hear nothing about me because I don't mix up myself. I don't mix up myself with certain things. I don't lay myself kill it.
Something fishy.
This is not a kill. Nothing fishy around here. We are talking about. Nothing fishy around here.
I'm going to find out.
Fire upon that. You know what I mean?
Don't worry yourself. I'm going to get to the meat of the matter and I'm going to find out what's going on.
Man, you make me just feel a way right now. Because I say to myself, say, you are the one who I always come confide and you know, me check for you a certain way. But right now, I make me feel like I'm just taking myself. We don't have no written agreement. You know what I mean? We have a verbal agreement. And I'm a man, I'm stand up to my words. You know what I mean? My word is my bond. And let me tell you something, I'm going to take care. See there, we can't go to come get in the US. We could give you 3,000 and I say, look more. When I come and I drop off that and look at me, I say, yo, I drop off in balance. That's cool, man. I have a friend of mine and a cousin call me and say they want a little help in the day. Yeah. I have to help them out, that's some stay. You know what I mean? Island Grill.
Well, no, yeah, I'm not chatting with you, I'm not chatting with you because all Panasonic I'm
going to tell you
you're number one. Right now you're number one. I don't understand that, my youth.
Go on, man.
I don't want to argue. I don't know what you tell me about.
All right, look
right now you hurt my feelings.
All right, so later me give you some money. Yeah. All right. Diamond, look on.
Good evening.
Good evening, man.
DJ Alan Green, right?
Yeah, you frightened me, you know? Come on down.
I'm sorry. I'm not stalking you, you know.
You're not stalking me, you sure?
No, I'm not. I'm not stalking you.
How can I help you?
My family, they're a big fan of you.
Big fan?
Yes, they're a big fan.
Thank you, man. I highly appreciate it, you know what I mean? Tell them, and tell them some thanks. Alright?
Oh. Hold on. See you give. Are you a girlfriend?
Yeah, but you sound kind of too much, you know, like, you know, my business. Like,
no, man, I know her.
You know her?
Yeah,
and she know you?
Yeah, and she know me.
How old are you?
18.
Yeah, 18.
Oh, yes. I see you gear some US. Can I get one too?
Some US? Boy, not easy, I try, boy. Today's a rough day, but no problem, man. I help people. So make sure you don't spend it in one place. Alright? At first,
at first, I get a US in my hand. I feel nice.
Alright, bless yourself, mama. Come here.
Oh, yes, hold on. You can't take a picture of me.
But me, like, take a picture with you?
No, not a picture with me. A picture with me and you. And send it to me Instagram because I left my phone at home.
Alright, boy, this sounds like a one. Alright, tell me something. What's your Instagram?
Pet.
Pet? Alright, so let me just take a one picture.
I feel nice.
Feel nice? Well, that phone and them technology are sometimes on us, you know? Alright, so, big up yourself. See where you do it. Ready? Instagram. Pet?
P-E-T.
P-E-T. Alright, Pet, big up yourself. That's anything, Chicago. Big up yourself, yeah?
What I do with you?
Yeah?
Bye. Look at this.
Where you get money from?
Your so-called crush. Yeah, for your so-called crush. Because apparently you're your crush. Yes. I see him
I can see I couldn't send the picture on my Insta.
I know my DJ Island girl at her.
I'm seeing one.
I believe not what you say.
Alright, you will see. How are this? No, me and him.
You meet him? You meet him? How should I meet him?
You don't need to know that. All you want was say, I meet him today and you give me that over the sun.
Girl, oh you stay so you know say I'm a big fan of the man and I well want to meet him and see the man.
Oh, me stay. I don't mean tell if you stay home. You should have followed behind me. If you did follow behind me, you would have seen him. But no, she will catch up in our house. It's not my fault. It's not my fault.
Alright, my time to come and meet him, but
Your time now will come.
Well, when big sister come later, I tell her you know, can start.
You want chat in here? You want chat in here? Me boss up your mouth here. You better shut up.
So how much me I get out of your money?
You're not getting none.
Enough money that did a girl $100 that thing. I'm a thief, thiefy.
Me look like a thief to you.
Because of a thief, you know, you have a problem.
Me ever thief not from you yet?
Of course, a thief from me, a thief me money. DJ Island Grill.
Yo, shut up. I mean, I make big sister come go here, you talk about man. Look somebody like you, can man? Bow man. And the people, them man. Look for little you bow man.
Hello?
Agabana, me de okay again.
Gabana, yeah man, come in man. Get go up man, get up here. Just walk in, we're on that side, here.
Wait, I door closed.
But they're on that side, so far on that side.
Okay, alright,
See?
alright.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Alright. Go on. There, man.
Alright. Let me see you. I see you smell good.
That me go see where you wanna go, you know.
You ever in a dear Millions cologne them?
That's
you love
cool,
Millions, eh? Me know your favorite, you know.
That's cool, man. Ah, Jesus.
Boy.
It's been a while when you see it, though.
You forgot to say you give me the name there, Gabbana.
Sure, man.
So my favorite cologne is Dulce Gabbana. Boy, I didn't remember I used to buy them for my birthday.
I tell you.
Oh, God.
We had some good times, that's true.
God, no.
Some real good times.
Real nice time. All them places where you used to take me. I miss them, you know.
That's cool, man. Sorry, man.
I miss them bad.
I'm here, phone call, and I say, wait. You know the voice saying, I'm going to buy this, man. Jesus Christ. We have the same number still.
Yeah.
I remember the digits, my first 3 digits. Yeah, I remember them. But so I go on with it differently, though, because, you know what I mean? I understand, say you want me to help you with that little thing, but, you know, I don't have a problem. They don't know anything about it.
I have something to tell about two little sister we may have. Lord have mercy. Anyway, before me go, it always look different, like you put on new part on it. Because around here, so no.
Man, I don't yet. It's a work in progress, you know what I mean? I have to give thanks to the Most High. I don't know anything already. You know, the little blessing I get, I just thank God for it.
I like it.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man. So, what's about your sister then?
Money I spend, I like it. Anyway, as me tell about my two sisters, I have two sisters there, see. One at 14 and one at 18. And you know say one of them? But maybe you don't recognize them if you see them now. Because when them did much smaller when me used to them. Maybe they grow up and don't know you. Because them did small.
True.
But anyway, See, when we are 14, I kind of give and take with she. Because you know she young, you know when they young, they go and flighty and fleety and go on like they know everything when they don't know nothing. And not take telling.
True.
Yeah, but me kind of understand. Me not say she are the best one and the goodest one, you know, because the two of them are my sister same way, you know. But the little one, me have to give and take with she. You see the one we are 18, the bigger one? Me can't manage him. Me can't manage her known tall. The girl bad like a years. Love man, yeah?
But when you say bad and thing, you don't know say badness running in your vein. You know what I mean?
That's true, that's true. But you don't remember your name?
That again.
You don't see you famous?
Up there,
DJ
up there. DJ Island Grill, you don't know them still love you, you know what I mean?
Okay, so you know say, from a your name and it's so famous, Master be a bad girl you talk to. Me did that feel bad, I mean, I tell no lie. Me did that feel bad, but you know, me get bigger and older, you know, me kind of cool down and cut out the badness. But me don't want my sister them be like me.
Not true.
Me can't go on like I said, me just want to load them up to any and anything. Me have to show them the right way.
Well, let me know, even though still you don't know, say, life set away where everybody have their own little path, reality. I always open up at the end of, you know what I mean, you know, when a person realize what they really want and what really matters in life, you know what I mean? Because we know say you in love to jump off a certain things and jump and dagger and all them something there. You give it up, you start, you know, take things serious and say, boy, ropes wraps. But anyway, you say I want a food for sort out some stuff, so you don't know anything already and he's always a friend no matter what, you know what I mean? Call me Chucky, a friend to the end, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Your name not Chucky.
Not true.
DJ Island Grill to the fullest.
Well said.
Yeah, well famous and everything. You know, make you give me so much money all the while, you know, you can't forget the wheelbarrow. What?
Yeah.
Head top.
Hey.
You don't know if you make no broke already, because them the position that them bad like a years.
That's cool.
You remember them more while, not you?
What you mean?
I hope you not call out my name, you know. When you're your next girl, them they one of places, you know.
You know, so sometimes we do it on the style. Hey, got a sweet like Dolce and Gabbana.
Why? Why? Yeah. You're rough, you know.
So you go, man. You know,
But let me tell you something, I tell no lie. Although me, you know, there, no girl can't put their foot in my shoes when me did there. And me can't just imagine how some of them are going like through them frightened for money or them go on when they see your money. And grateful and go on one kind of way.
Yeah, me can't give you a drama. Me give you a little drama. Me have a little thing, you know what I mean? Because you know, so me still love me love my Piper. You know what I mean? So you don't know the thing. What year I go on? Me don't go to the yard today because you know, don't know, so I help her out and thing, man. Get her system straight and so forth. But me tell the woman, say, me have to give her a certain amount of food and thing. But because you call me now and tell me, say, boy, me have to, me have to help you. So me have money for give her, you know. But just because me want to, you know, help you out and me have a cousin to start out, you wanna believe me, like a lie me I tell.
So you know no cousin?
Look so.
It look like you alone in the world no have no cousin. But she have cousin though. But I like for me that the woman there.
Alright man, but
because cousin and cousin boil good soup. And when them girl they can't tell you say, I'm my cousin, you know what else take place.
That's true.
But she not trust you. You're going to give me money and give your cousin money and she not believe you.
She don't believe me. Like me is a liar. Me stand by my word.
You can't deal with them girl that will not trust you.
Yo, me stand by my word, man.
Although me not tell you to left her now.
The thing is this, you see, me kind of rate her because, you know, my spirit take her, you know what I mean? And she have a nice spirit inside out, you know what I mean? As somebody who you can call and talk to and, you know, really certain, you know, like feelings. But me still don't know if she had chat me behind her back. Because, you know, people say the people tell her this and them do that. You understand? But at the end of the day, it's with you know.
Look here. You know my style, you know. You count the money too long. You know my style, you know. Every time, you know much time you count. You not tap count this one money you have to know. Look here. You hold up it too long. May I make your woman come past and see her the next woman money. I mean, you ain't no business again. So guess what? You know, people can trail people and start them, you know. One thing come past and see her give me money and you're not in a problem when you go and say I give you woman money. Remember, so we ain't no business again, you know. We are just real article bridging ex-lover from long time.
I like that part, the ex-lover.
Yeah, ex-lover.
Yeah, man. You man has a respect as usual. So you are going.
Thanks anyway.
No problem, man. You don't have it.
Thank you. A long time more and tell you this. You see, out of all of the man them me there with, and used to there with and there with now, you is the best man ever me ever have in my life. Right now, me miss you so bad, but me really understand say it was my jealousy as me tell you before. And me you still talk anything me ask for you still give me, and me appreciate it. So me thanks for everything we do for me, see me, you know. Because if ain't some man they wouldn't want to give me, then I say you did have it in your hand and you know what I mean. And me make it gone and now me still have to turn to you. But me appreciate it. So thanks anyway. Me dey on the run.
Oh yes, sir, man. I'm
Me nah forget about you.
That's cool, man.
I wouldn't mind me I do it when I ball out your name, you know. I trouble did it, Trouble did it.
I mean,
I go try one night time and tell you about it. You know some man jealous, you know.
My name would and choke you.
No. You know some me and them a chat about the choking thing and I don't want nobody choke me and kill me, so I don't want no choking. I can't do different style without choking.
Alright, mama.
Big up yourself.
Oh,
One love every time.
Angry thing, man, angry thing. One work on a mix here, you know. Hold on. Diamond. What you say? Yeah, man, alright. Just forward now, man. Tell us to forward now, even already, man. You make it sound like a problem, man. But they're on the side, man. So we not, just come straight in. You know you go already. Yeah, man, they know the code. Right? Right, that's all. Yo, just relax now, Diamond. Alright. Work out that mix the answer. Diamond in the building. Hey, you look like you vexing me. Vexing me? Come on, Diamond, man. You can't do him something, man. Far where I come from, you know. Sure.
And that's why I still can't believe what you said to me. After so long, me I talk over how much years me I talk. I went there, me I look for say, and me I go be first lady in your life. You tell me say, there is somebody else, and me is not your number one. Yes, you know how that make me feel?
Diamond.
You really hurt my feelings, you know?
Diamond, you see? Worst thing about it is that every time I talk to you, you listen to me only when you're ready to listen to me. So I feel, say, I want in case the way I talk to you now, you listen to me, you just in your own moment and your own mood. So you can talk to you from earlier and I say, yo, we can't just go and see how you work out. You know what I mean? You dash it on me and thing, and yeah, we enjoy ourselves, and you know, we just, it's like we're not in an agreement like that. We just move with nature and natural cause. But hear me, I still saying, you have to take this thing too personal. That's understanding circumstances that work with me, man. More everybody feel happy, man. You know what I mean? Because I don't tell you, say, I don't have feelings for you, and I don't feel, say, you know, you're hurt right now. Because when you come and, you know, say, boy, me don't have feelings, and DJ Island Grill just is a wicked youth and all this. Come on, man. I take care, you know. Just like I promise about the money. You know what I mean? As some mistake, I keep my word. You know what I mean? Because this man, imagine me get 2,000 USD 15. And I say, yo, come check back later, and I give you a balance. And we are going. That not sound right, Diamond. I don't like the vibe. But you are going. He's a man of my word. You know what I mean? Yeah, I get it. You have one show later, you know, what you say I do? You forward with your friend them? Shell the bar and, you know what I mean? You do like a dance and you love to do. What make you look so sad? Diamond, wake up now, Diamond. Make things set away, man. Alright. Here we go. See? Think about what really are going on, son. Think about if you really want to be there, son. Because it don't make sense me in a relationship where, you know what I mean, you feel like me I do you something and you're not comfortable and happy. It don't make no sense. Because you're going to stop doing the things you like. You're not going to whine on you again, you're not do all them something so. Me go, you know, in a one state of mind where we're just uncomfortable. So the money won't promise you. Just go think about everything.
You just left me in a shock, you know. Because I can't believe that after me I go on for how much years? I'm more than 6 years me I go on, you know. And now Alpan and Sonny tell me say there is someone else and me is not the first woman in your life. And then they expect me to just act as if you know say nothing to me. Or like me not have no feelings or like it just come like I said nothing at all, never mean anything to you. I really can't believe you. All these years me think say everything did real between me and you. I did just front you buy from me.
This year going with the mama, how about that man? Hear what? I must think about everything.
So what you did I do? Play with my love and my emotion and my affection. All this while.
Diamond, stop in a diamond. Stop
Me and live a house together. I feel like I say at the end of everything, I'm married, we are going to get married.
Diamond.
Only if you know say me is not your number one woman, there is a next woman with that is number so me a one, number 2, 3, 4, me a number one. What me be in your life?
Diamond, listen man, just stop now man. You blow this thing out of proportion. First thing, you don't want to live from down so. Me tell move, come up here, so come live with me, you don't want to live with me. You say you want your own place. So me give you one place. Which relationship right now? Listen to me, I say. Which relationship right now you have out there where one partner live 5 miles down the road and next person live 5 miles up the road. And they don't want to see a serious relationship where you look for married. Come on man, if you don't live with me, say you don't want to live with me, somebody just left it there so. If you give me the code and say you don't want to live with me, me just build your place. So stop act like say it's a something what me in arrange, you know, and talk about. We talk about this thing, Diamond.
Okay, so that's your problem then. To become a call live with you. That's a reason why you tell me say you have somebody else.
Well, that's one reason, Diamond.
That's one reason.
Diamond, here I go.
And that's a reason, alright, truth, you tell me say you really have somebody else.
Yeah, me have somebody else. She live upstairs. Diamond, we talk about this. Me give you money and think. Just think about what me tell you. Because me have to just get me set together. You know what I mean? So just go and do your thing. Me will come check you and we talk about this tomorrow. Yeah? We talk about this tomorrow.
I don't talk you need. It's like you live with somebody else and me your number one and she you go married. You play me like I said me a puppet or like I said me an idiot. Alright, you know, how me feel. I feel cheated and I feel like I said this a relationship you are done, brother. I can't deal with this here. Because me I did first and she come second and she get first place. Or the hell that for happen. You know, I never come on a party or nothing, yeah, man. Right now, I'm done with you. I'm done.
Alright.
Fed up. I'm done. I can't deal with this no more.
Alright, Diamond.
You think so you're only man to because you have money?
Alright,
you feel like I say you can't just come style me anyhow. I'm going to just sit down and take you so. Just love me out here, man. But we get next man. He's not the only man around. And he's not the only man in this world. Right now, he's a white man I want. You can't go on. We're going to get a rich white man, richer than you. Go on where you go.
Alright, Diamond. You soon turn gold. I'll get that thing already. Yeah.
Drive over the party.
Which part?
Stop there. Stop there, girl. You want to make some good money?
Yeah, I want to know.
I make you make some money off a DJ Island Grill.
Really?
Yes. All you have to do, I just walk up to him and the over him and sit down right now. Just go and go sit down in your lap. I make me get to take a couple pictures of you.
Which part do you live?
Right up the road, and live right up the store by big house.
Over the big house there?
Yeah, man.
So how much you have pay me?
Right now in the road, the corner, sit down. Right
Much
down
you
the corner
pay me?
house. 2 grand.
2 grand, me mama ride off.
No, man. I mean 20 grand, my
Oh,
girl.
now you're talking. Now you're talking.
All right, come on, 5 minutes now.
Oh, yeah. Yo, ease up now. Oh, I'm there. Ease up for me now, man. Wow. So, where you come from?
You know, so me wanna be a big fan.
Alright, you are one. See, how you reach over here, so? Stop, no, stop. Alright. How old are you?
18.
You're 18?
Yes.
Alright. Just leave the place here, please.
Me 18, you know?
Don't worry about that. Go on, just take your time. Take your time.
Yes, good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir. What's the meaning of his visit, boss?
Yes, sir. I am Detective Samuels and this is Detective Brown. There is some photos circulating on the internet in regarding to a minor.
A minor?
Yes, and you are involved, so we are here to arrest you.
What do you mean, sir, me involved? What are you talking about?
Listen, man, we have gotten the directive from the commissioner to lock you up.
Let me see the photo what you're talking about, because I don't understand what you're talking about.
Yeah, man, isn't that you, sir?
This is set up to this, but it's have to be a... Alright, here we go. See, do no work, because I understand I work on the work, because this have to be some mistake, misunderstanding. See, come and understand.
Yeah, man, nobody around, man. Just you take up your laptop and come.
Everything good, man, because this have to be some misunderstanding. Come and understand why I'm not going on, like say. Yo, I'm not a criminal, you know. Don't stop cheap like a criminal. Yo, watch out, man.
Ano sa karne? Hello? Lock him up for what? What you say? Wine do, me need to know wine do. You don't know who no lock up? DJ Island Grill a famous man. Me no know. Oh, wine do. You don't see him with gun jugs or what? You don't lock him up for? No, me no understand. You can't name nobody this a food there. No, man. Hold on there. No. Hold on. Me a left out right now.
No man, just leave the place here.
Me 18, you know?
Don't worry about that. Go on, just take your time, man. Take your time and leave the place. Diamond! No, you. Ready? Diamond!
I feel low in that pants. I feel low in that pants. Ready? Ready? Alright, don't laugh.
Oh, Mr. Yes, sir. What's the meaning of this visit, boss?
Yeah, man. As I said before, I am Detective Samuels and this is Detective Brown. There is some photos circulating. What is it? Ready?
Everything good, man. Because I have to misunderstanding. I understand why we're not going on like this. Yo, I'm a criminal, you know. Don't stop cheap like a criminal. Yo, watch out, Yes, sir. What's the meaning of this visit, boss?
Yeah, man. As we said before, I am Detective Samuels and this is Detective Brown. There is some photos circulating.
What are you make you one time.
Yeah, but give Javi a try. Give Javi a try. Give Javi a try. Stand up, Javi. Stand up. Step back, Javi.
No, he knows me.
Javi.
A million sit up flying on the brain now. So my brain now a second. Come back there.
Step too closer to you.
You ready, Alden?
Yes, sir. What's the meaning of this visit, boss?
Yes, sir. I am Detective Samuels and this is Detective Brown. There is some photos circulating on the internet in regarding to a minor.
A minor?
Yes, and you are involved, so we are here to arrest you.
What do you mean, sir, me involved? What are you talking about?
Listen, man, we have gotten the directive from the commissioner to lock you up.
Let me see the photo where you're talking about, because I don't understand what you're talking about.
Yeah, man, isn't that you, sir?
Alright, here we go. See? Do no work, so I'm going to start working on work because there have to be some mistake, misunderstanding. See? Come and understand.
No, man, nobody around, man. Just take up your laptop. Alright, give me a white chat. Give me a white chat.
How from big old party? From big old.
They go to cover here.
You go to too wide, we will go to foot and shoulder. Ready, Alton? Alright, arrest him.
The one thing I
pass the laptop.
Everything good, man, because I have some misunderstanding. Come and understand why we're not going on like say. Yo, I'm not a criminal, you know. Just stop cheap like a criminal. Yo, watch out, man, I love her. I beat me up. Alright. Well learn. No, feel that.
Any of we could have chat. If any of me have
This one,
we could have chat.
Let me see your foot now, give me that one. So come for that one. Here?
God, this hot.
So Richie, you have all that stuff that we need, right Richie? You have everything we need. Kevlar. Eh? One. I maybe one. What did you mean? Maybe one. But I think two for me there. Hey. Yeah. Come on, just camera.
Wait, just camera.
Which one, man? Come on, guys.
What look like?
Oh, you take off him, sit down for it too.